Here's another air conditioner at a friend's house. It is a newer Armstrong air. And it's just like that intertherm I taped a couple minutes ago. It's a heat pump. Hallelujah. It's got a compressor silencer, but it's reciprocating. 14 seer, 8.20 HSPF, and it was manufactured last year. Model number 4SHP 14LE13OP/1, and listed outdoor section of heat pump. Hookups and everything. You see where it says serial number 1608? That's the date of manufacture. Serial number 1608MO2301. Bug on there. And it has the newer, that's not doo-doo, R410A refrigerant, and my hands are covered in this slime. It's set up on stilts for a reason. I don't know why. Armstrong Air is a subsidiary of Lennox. And it's installed a real decent amount away from the home. Let's see, factory charge. High side design pressure, 446 psi. Low side is 236 psi. Energy, efficient, comfortable, quiet operation, dependable. And you can see the TXV from here. Let's see what else. And there's your furnace drain line. I imagine it's a matched system. You can see the compressor. See it? Yeah, you can. Alright.